It's just typical in the wintertime. It's just more rainy months. Things are a little damper. They're damper longer. They don't dry out with sun. Some of the common things we see in the wintertime is roof leaks. During the hot summer months, all your sealants and your roof membranes, they just bake. And so the first good rain storm of the fall really starts pushing the water around, and roof leaks and leaks through exterior soffits and roof drains that are backing up. They've had a little bit of debris over them, and that first big rain is what causes them to back up and overflow. After the first freeze or after the first snow, you'll see ice damming or some kind of icicles building up. They're usually an indication of the water isn't flowing correctly, so maybe your gutters are backed up or your roof is backed up and it's draining over the edge, creating that icicle. It's a good time to walk around your building and take a look at why am I seeing this staining? Why am I seeing water dripping off in areas it's not supposed to be dripping off? Look up, look at the drip, see what's going on. One of the reasons you would call us as a consultant is we're not selling any product. We're not supported by any manufacturer. We're telling you, here's what needs to be done based upon the following things that we're seeing. So if you're seeing any of these things happening on your building, give us a call. It's a free conference call. It's a free 15 minutes. Go to j2consultants.com and find our link there and set up a free call.